Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun competition for you and your family to try. It is the Domino Rally Bowling Competition. Now, that includes bowling and a domino rally and a lot of science. So, all you need are a few recycled materials, blocks or DVD cases, something that'll stand up to make a domino rally, and then something to use for bowling pins. I didn't have any blocks or anything, so I took 3 crayons and I put the 3 crayons together, I put a rubber band around it, and now there's 3 of them that can sit upright that make a bowling pin. So then after you set up, you just need your ramp at the beginning out of the recycled materials, and then you'll need a ball. And when you put the ball in the ramp, it'll roll down, hit the domino rally, and then the last piece in your domino rally is responsible for knocking over the pins at the end. And you want to try to knock down as many as you can in one turn. So the challenge is yours. You can make a long domino rally, short domino rally, whatever you make is up to you and your family. And then make it a competition. Who can knock down the most pins in one turn? Setting them up, try again, move the course a little bit. The options are endless. Just try new things and experiment and see what you can come up with. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Topeka Collegiate School for your support of Discovery at Home.